Have you ever stared at a brightly colored object, blinked, and then, boom, you still see its ghostly outline floating in front of your eyes? That's called an afterimage. And honestly, the science behind it is cooler than you might think. Let me walk you through what's actually going on inside your eyes. When you look at something, light bounces off it, enters your eye, and hits the retina, the thin layer at the back of your eyeball. The retina is packed with special cells called photoreceptors, which come in two flavors: rods for light and dark, and cones for color. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you stare at a bold color, let's say a bright red circle, for a while, the cones that detect red get tired. Scientists call this desensitization. It's almost like those cones are saying, "All right, I've had enough red for one day." When you finally look away at a white wall, your tired red cones take a mini break. The other cones, green and blue, are still going strong, so your brain fills in the gap by showing the opposite color on the spectrum. That's why a red circle often leaves a greenish afterimage, or a yellow shape turns blue. It's your brain's way of balancing things out. But afterimages aren't just about colors. Sometimes you can see light spots after looking at something really bright, even if you close your eyes. That's because the rods and cones are momentarily overwhelmed, kind of like when you hear a loud sound and your ears ring afterward. So, afterimages are your eyes and brain working together, doing their best to make sense of the world, even when you move your gaze. Next time it happens, try this. Stare at a colored object for 20 seconds, then quickly switch to a blank surface. Pay attention to what color you see. It's not magic, it's pure biology. Understanding afterimages isn't just a fun party trick. It actually helps scientists and doctors study how our eyes adapt, and even design better screens and safer road signs. So next time you catch a glimpse of a ghostly color after you blink, remember, your eyes are pulling off an incredible trick, all in the blink of an eye. Stay curious and keep looking for the science hidden in everyday life.